How to use cinnamon for weight loss? They've been lying to you about weight loss. You don't need a crazy 2-hour workout plan or some overpriced supplement, because one of the most powerful fat-burning hacks might already be hiding in your kitchen spice rack, and almost nobody uses it the right way. That spice? Cinnamon. And the way you use it could mean the difference between storing fat or burning it. Most people think cinnamon is just that powder you sprinkle on oatmeal or a latte. But research shows it has surprisingly powerful effects on blood sugar and fat storage. And today, I'll show you how to use it for fat loss, which type to pick, and the exact way to add it into your routine. Stick with me, because if you're using the wrong kind of cinnamon, you could actually be doing more harm than good. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail at weight loss because of effort. It's because their blood sugar is all over the place. You eat something sweet, blood sugar spikes, insulin kicks in, and your body locks that energy away as fat instead of burning it. Then an hour later, you're starving again, craving more carbs, and the cycle repeats. Cinnamon tackles this exact problem. Studies show it slows down how quickly carbs break down in your stomach, which means smaller blood sugar spikes and fewer crashes. Fewer crashes equals fewer cravings. And fewer cravings equals sticking to your diet without feeling like you're suffering. So how does cinnamon actually do this? It contains compounds that act almost like insulin. Here's a simple way to picture it. Your cells are like locked doors. Insulin is the key, but over time, the locks get rusty. That's insulin resistance. Cinnamon? It's like WD-40 for those locks. Suddenly, the key works again. This means less sugar floating around in your blood, less fat being stored, and more steady energy. And hey, if you love simple, science-backed hacks like this, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next one. And it gets better. Cinnamon also triggers thermogenesis, your body's natural calorie-burning process. After a meal, it makes your body work just a little harder, giving your metabolism a gentle push. But here's the mistake that ruins cinnamon's benefits for most people. Not all cinnamon is created equal. The common supermarket kind, Cassia cinnamon, does have some benefits, but it also contains high levels of coumarin, which can be harmful if you're eating it daily. That's why the smarter choice is Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. It has the same fat loss benefits, tastes sweeter and milder, and you can use it safely every single day. And here's something most people never hear. Just sprinkling cinnamon on random foods isn't enough. The timing, the amount, and what you combine it with, that's what really makes it effective. In fact, there's one simple cinnamon drink you can make at home that helps control cravings all morning. The easiest method? Cinnamon tea. Boil water, drop in half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder or a stick, steep it for 10 minutes, and drink it before breakfast. Think of it as a morning reset button for your blood sugar. You can also stir half a teaspoon into your coffee, smoothies, or oatmeal. The key is consistency, small amounts every day, not giant spoonfuls once in a while. And if you want an extra boost, mix cinnamon with a little honey and warm water. This combo has been used for centuries for digestion and appetite control. And modern research now backs it up for reducing cravings and supporting fat metabolism. So here's the bottom line. Cinnamon isn't going to melt fat overnight. But it makes weight loss easier by balancing blood sugar, cutting cravings, and giving your metabolism a gentle lift. The secret is using the right type, Ceylon cinnamon, and using it consistently in small amounts. Pair it with a balanced diet and movement, and you'll start to notice changes not just in your weight, but in your energy and appetite too. If you found this helpful, give this video a like so more people can discover it. And if you love natural, science-backed ways to burn fat faster, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss the next one. Because remember, weight loss doesn't have to feel like torture. It's not about doing more, it's about doing smarter. And sometimes, the smallest changes, like cinnamon, create the biggest transformations.